Ta-da! I have this Bluetooth remote control. I'm going to do a short and a quick review. This is actually for a virtual reality box, but you can use it as a remote control for your Android TV, your laptop, your smartphone, and even your tablets. Let's see how this works. It has actually got some controls here. This is like a joystick for playing games. This is for playing games. Well, it looks good. It looks good. It has got this thing up here like a game pad, and it takes AAA batteries, 2 AAA batteries. Let's fix the batteries and see. This is it. All right, then we cover it up. There we go. Great. So this side says Android and iOS. Android and iOS. So I'm currently going to connect it to an Android device. So it's on Android. This is the power button. You press it long, and then the blue light begins to blink, which means it is on. Now this is our Android device. We open it up. You can actually use this remote control to take pictures. You can use it to take pictures. Let's see how it works. Let's go to the settings and then to Bluetooth. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. I think this is it. It says VR box over here. Let's pick the VR box. It is pairing. It's connected now. Let's go back. Put on the camera. Okay, so let's try to take a picture. We click on this to take a picture. You can see that. Let's click again. All right, so this is the picture. This is it. This is the picture it took. So you can use this remote control to play games, and use it as a remote control to take pictures and videos as well. Assuming you have a tripod stand, and you are alone and you want to take some beautiful pictures, you can just use this as a remote control. It is pretty good. When you are on iOS, you just shift this to iOS, and when you are on Android also, you shift this one to Android. That is basically it. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Turn on notification icon to get notified each time I post a new video. See you in another unboxing and review episode. Peace.